Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome to the video. Today's video will be taking apart this IKEA bed frame that I have here. I am moving, so the time has finally come to take this apart. If you find value in this video, if it helps you out, if you're trying to take apart your bed frame, please give the video a thumbs up. Let me know how I did explaining everything. Good luck on taking apart your bed frame. Let's get started. Now that I got these wood slats out and removed, I'm going to start with these little skinny guys right here. There are 4 of them, as you can see, and they're held on by little screws. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm going to remove all 4 of these and then go from there. Alright, I got these 4 bars out. Make sure you keep track of the screws. Put all my screws in a plastic baggie right here, and then I labeled it. I got 8 screws for the count, and then I wrote screws go to long skinny metal bars, and there's 4 of those metal bars. But don't lose the screws, it's important to hang on to them. Now that I got that done, I'm going to remove this long piece right here. I think it just slips out, so let's get this out. Now that we got everything taken out from the center of the bed frame, I'm going to work on getting this large piece out. How I'm planning to do that is right here. Got a bolt on this side, and then we got a bolt on this side. And I think once we get these 2 bolts out, this will come free. A socket and a ratchet will not fit in this hole, so you will need an open-ended wrench to get in there. Now that we got the end of the bed removed, I'm gonna put my 2 bolts and whatever else that I have in a bag and label it. Make sure I don't lose it. This also came out. This went in here and it came out. Oh, yep, there's one in here too. So I'll be placing all these in a bag and I'll label it. And then I'm gonna make my way up here and remove this one and this one. Remove the side pieces so then everything is free from the headboard. And then after that, I'm going to remove 1, 2, 3, and 4. So then this bottom section can be removed from the whole big top piece. Okay, so I just removed this side. Sorry about all my mess. I'm in the middle of moving, but I just removed this side. And because this whole piece was tilted forward because of the long arms right here, I grabbed a little bucket that I had and propped this side up so then I wouldn't bend the wood or any of the hardware. And then I lifted this side up with my hand, and this was easily able to be removed. So all this is very easy. I'm just doing it all by myself. You don't need another person. Another person would be nice, but you don't need another person. Alrighty everyone, that's gonna wrap this video up. Got my bed frame all torn apart. I'm all set to put my bed frame in my little U-Haul trailer for when I move. Got the 2 side pieces right here. Got the front part of the bed frame right there. Got the back. And I got the little wood slats right there. I have the big metal beam right here and the 4 little metal rods right there. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in all things furniture. I like to do a lot of flipping furniture projects. But if any of that sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button down below today. Hopefully you'll see you in the next one. Take care. Have a great day.